Welcome to Data Science 2026. Mastering key skills opens doors to a successful career. Demand for data scientists is booming, with 11.5 million new jobs by 2026. Let's explore essential technical skills. Programming like Python, R, and SQL is fundamental. Python, with NumPy and TensorFlow, excels in data analysis and machine learning. Data wrangling and pre-processing clean and transform messy data into usable formats. Machine learning and deep learning expertise, including TensorFlow, is key for predictive modeling. Strong statistics and math foundation, including linear algebra, calculus, and probability, supports data analysis. Big data tech like Spark and Hadoop handles large datasets efficiently. Cloud skills with AWS, Azure, and GCP are now essential. Data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI communicate insights effectively. NLP is vital for analyzing textual data and deriving insights. Beyond technical skills, analytical and soft skills matter. Problem solving and critical thinking are essential. Effective communication explains complex data to stakeholders. Business acumen and collaboration align insights with objectives. Foster curiosity and ethical awareness for responsible data handling. Data science's future includes AI automation, data democratization, and ethical AI. Continuous learning is key. Blend technical and cross-disciplinary knowledge to thrive. Master these skills for success in data science. The future is bright. If you find this helpful, hit like, share this with someone preparing for interviews, and don't forget to subscribe. Happy learning!